हेलो फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स which will be very helpful for you to enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end, and let's start with the first vocabulary words. The first word is meeting. It means mulaqat. The second word is swelling. It means Sujan. The third word is behavior. It means vyavhar. The fourth word is complaint. It means shikayat. The fifth word is conspiracy. It means षड्यंत्र. The sixth word is enquiry. It means जांच करना. The seventh word is failure. It means असफलता. The eighth word is dryness. It means सूखापन. The ninth word is goodness. It means अच्छाई. The 10th word is illness. It means बीमारी. The 11th word is aimless. It means लक्ष्यहीन. The 12th word is awareness. It means जागरूकता. The 13th word is likeness. It means समानता. The 14th word is ugliness. It means कुरूपता. The 15th word is regularity. It means नियमितता. The 16th word is reality. It means वास्तविकता. The 17th word is nationality. It means राष्ट्रीयता. The 18th word is mentality. It means मानसिकता. The 19th word is formality. It means औपचारिकता. The 20th word is brutality. It means निर्दयता. The 21st word is actuality. It means satyata. The 22nd word is acidity. It means amlata. The 23rd word is elasticity. It means lachak. The 24th word is sensitivity. It means संवेदनशीलता. The 25th and last word is scarcity. It means durlabhta. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more English videos.